Today, I will show you how to get a correlation matrix using SAS and how it is interpreted. First, open your SAS account and open the program window. If you are really new to SAS, watch the above video to create a SAS account. Let's see how to type our codes for correlation matrix. Type data, then type correlation matrix and put semicolon. You can use any name for your dataset. And then type input, then type your variable names. So I will put it like x1, x2, x3 and y, put semicolon, and then type cards and put semicolon, and type 23, 25, 21, 23, 21, 24, 23, 26, 21, 25, 28, 29, 25, 28, 26, 24. You can type your data like this, and first data column related to x1, second data column related to x2, and third data column related to x3, and final column related to y. After putting your data like this, you have to put semicolon mark and end it. And type proc core and put semicolon. And type var, var, and type x1, x2, x3, and y and put semicolon. Then type run and put semicolon. And I missed one step. You have to put another run above proc core and put semicolon also. Then click that running man icon and you will get your output results like this: simple statistic table and Pearson correlation coefficient and probability matrix. Simple statistic table explain simple statistic of your data. That means your population, sample size and mean, standard deviation, sum, minimum value and maximum value. And then next table, Pearson correlation coefficients and probability table. That means this one is our correlation matrix. So this will explain how it correlate with each other. So in this case, our null hypothesis is there is no correlation, and our alternative hypothesis is there is a correlation. So if we have p-value less than 0.05, then we can reject our H0. That means we can reject there is no correlation one, and we can accept there is a correlation. So let's see how it interpreted. And you can see your table like this, and there are two values in one cell. Look at x1, x2 cell. So you can see 0.94902 and 0.0003 like. So in this case, 0.94902 is our correlation coefficient value, and 0.0003 is our p-value. So for this case, our p-value is less than 0.05, so we can reject our null hypothesis, and that means there is a correlation between x1 variable and x2, and that correlation is positive correlation because our correlation coefficient value is positive value. Let's see y x1 column, and in this case, sorry, not column, y x1 cell, and for this case, our correlation coefficient is minus 0.13045 and our p-value is 0.7582. So that means our p-value is greater than 0.05. That means we have to accept our null hypothesis. That means there is no correlation between x1 and y. That's how we interpreted our correlation matrix. If you have any question regarding this topic, please put a comment and I will reply to your comments. Thanks for watching.